Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to make amazing websites with amazing UI and UX with Modulify.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Modulify, and once you've signed up and signed in for free, you can go ahead and you'll find this page. And here we need to describe a project in a sentence or two. All right. So what I like to do is I like to use Perplexity to just create ideas, to brainstorm, to sort of just get exactly what I want out of my head onto a couple lines. So here where I've got create a clean, simple, smart fitness planner with easy navigation. All right. So we're looking for creating amazing user experience and a user interface that's easy to use, because if it's easy to use, it's going to be an amazing app or website. If it's difficult to use, we don't want to use it. So this is my prompt. You can read through it, and then you can now click on Let AI Pick. This will be the style of your website. So you can see here that there are a bunch of different styles. On the top right-hand side of each one of these styles, they have their color palette. So you can actually see what colors will be used. All right. So what I would like to do is I'm going to use this dinner one over here because it's nice and dark and deep. Say select style. And if you don't yet have an idea, you can actually choose one of these ideas over here as well. Let's go ahead and click on generate. So we've got our website here, and you can see it looks like a whiteboard kind of vibe. And on the top left-hand side, there are a few options. You've got your sitemap, wireframe, and then we are now in design. So essentially, whichever element you're clicking on, you can actually have that element changed. So you'll have a sidebar open up over here on the right-hand side. And here you can you can make changes right over here. Okay, so you can literally just have whatever changes you need. There are some shortcuts as well: simplify, improve, fix grammar, make longer, so on and so on. You can also obviously change your colors, your branding. You can upload your logo icon. You can change the typography, and then there's a sitemap prompt, which is the prompt that we added in the beginning of our experience. Now, what we can do is we can go and push on this little play button, and here we can actually physically see what our website looks like. So at the top, remember, we're focusing on user experience and user interface. So if you click on mobile, you'll see this is what it looks like. Nice and easy, simple, great, looks good, loads nice and fast. This is what it looks like on a tablet. Great. And this is what it looks like on your desktop. Nice and pretty. Looks awesome. Whatever changes, again, that you'd like to make, you can make them. If you just go and click over here, you can just increase your zoom over here, and you can go ahead and you can make whatever changes you need. You can also add elements. You can add components. And if you click on add component, you can actually just on the right hand side see what you can add. And once you add it in, you can fully customize it. There we go. You've got an amazing website with amazing user interface and an amazing user experience.